Good morning. Hope you all having a good morning. Well, we got to do today, we got some A.D.A ramps. Get over here and show you. They're like 10 feet off, kind of there to there. Goes out, comes around. It's a big one. These are pretty big A.D.A ramps. So we're gonna haul off some dirt, put it where we need to, and that's low spots all around here. Same thing with this A.D.A ramp. I'll haul out that asphalt, a little bit of whatever that is. I don't even know what that is. Play with. Probably just has a little base or something. Some power pedestals to install. Get this place all cleaned up. Fill this in with dirt. Get it sloped right. So yeah, just some cleanup. Some the to-do list, I guess. First, we're gonna get started. We're gonna fill in all these little holes. Go on, turn that heater down so y'all can hear me. We're gonna fill in these little holes around the curb. And then they're looking at the plans right now for the A.D.A ramp. And we're gonna figure out if it's cut out right. If not, or cut out more or whatever. And then we're gonna go get this place all looking nice and clean. Piles of dirt everywhere. So after we're done, we got to cover everything in straw, everything that we can with the straw that we got. All for it. And this dirt out here, when it gets muddy, it gets muddy. Smush it in there a little. Cosmetics mainly today, other than those A.D.A ramps. A bunch of cosmetics. I don't think that stake's important anymore. Cut out a little bit that needs cut out for that A.D.A ramp. Load that. I was loading dirt into the loader there, and he's gonna place it in all the low spots all along there. And then so when I'm done here, other than doing that one, I can go just along here and just pretty everything up as I go. Probably depth. A couple inches of rock. That's some big concrete. All right. More dirt to dig out there. All kinds of water. You can take that trash too. No, I tried not making a mess on the street, but it just happens. one ADA ramp prep down. Little 5-foot sidewalk area. We're gonna get 2 panels in. Same thing with over there. Ramp there, little ramp there. Shaping up good. Graded all the way out, went around the curb around that way, and then hopped the street down there by the truck. Along smooth. So it's lunchtime. We're gonna go eat lunch. I don't know what else should we do at lunchtime besides eat lunch. The other ADA ramp. So this is really mushy. So we gotta do this in sections. Come on. See, I'm just sinking. Okay, I'm back on something harder. The next day, got super swamped with those 2 down there. That one was, over here was kind of tricky. The elevations were coming down, then flat, and then coming up. It was just a nightmare. It was, anyway, we got it done though, and it looks good. It's a whopping 28 degrees outside and it's freezing. I'm cut out and prepped a little. It's gonna get another couple inches of 3/4 minus. It's looking pretty decent. If you can't see that shape, this one's a little flatter, so our transition won't be as crucial. And then after that one's done, we got this one that's just gonna come up one single 5-foot wide ramp and then a landing for the sidewalk. I'm going to go, I can't even talk this morning. Getting in the loader here, gonna get me some rock. The John Deere 544L. The glare, sorry. But yeah, that's a pretty nice loader. A little tricky to run at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's cool. It's free. Warmed up. That glare is killing me. It's killing you guys? I don't know, maybe. I have to check it out when I do some editing. Frank's over there. Get all that? Yeah, didn't take very long. It's supposed to really rain on us this weekend and next week. So we wanted to get this done before it rains and this gets all muddy and nasty. We're gonna go get this one cut in and shaded with rock before it rains. How pretty. From there to the other one, this one's gonna be kind of different. It's just gonna come straight out. It's not gonna be a big old whopping thing. Come straight out, come flat to a landing area, and then the sidewalk's gonna follow. Get level. There we are. That's a salesman for Hayden Homes. skiff a rock on that, 3/4 minus, and call that good. That is our A.D.A ramps, ladies and gentlemen. This is actually the end of the day. I had a bunch of stuff over there on the other job site. The second phase over there. A bunch of stuff to do over there. But I just want to show you guys the finished product. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.